The latest news about mask rules for LA County residents has prompted a lot of questions and outrage for some.
Why the abrupt about-face, and why do vaccinated people have to wear masks again? Eyewitness News reporter Denise Dedore talked to the experts to get some answers to that question. She joins us live now in La Cañada, Flintridge. Denise.
We're going to get to all those answers, and this movie theater behind me is one of many places where they're going to have to ask their patrons to once again don their face masks because a public mandate for masking is going to begin Saturday at midnight. And experts tell me one of the biggest reasons for this is so that hospitals don't see history repeat itself.
I don't want to see what I've seen before. I've seen stacks of body bags in morgues.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Victor Waters with Dignity Health St. Bernardine says he doesn't want to relive the horror of last winter, crowded ERs, packed ICUs, but he says it feels like it's starting all over again.
It's already rising, and more than half the cases are D-variant related. So that means it's far more infectious, creates more risk for patients to end up in the hospital.
As of July 15th, just over 462 people in LA County are hospitalized with confirmed COVID. That's a rate of 4.6 per 100,000 people. Orange, Riverside, and Ventura counties have rates of nearly 4 per 100,000. And San Bernardino County has the highest rate, with 5.4 people hospitalized per 100,000.
The vaccination rates are particularly lower compared to LA County.
Even though LA County has higher rates of vaccination, 40% are still without their first dose, and 48% have only had one dose. This includes children under 12. But if you look at the eligible population, these are the numbers. 30% have not had a first dose, and 39% are not fully vaccinated. Dr. Waters says hesitators are being bombarded by misinformation.
I call it analysis by paralysis. People get so confused by the information, they pause. They say, well, I'm just not going to get it. And it's really hurting.
Dr. Waters says delaying vaccination will only lead to more cases and then more variants and so on. He says we need to convince people to get vaccinated now.
It's got to be one-on-one contact with the people who are on the fence or people who are simply resistant, to talk to them, their loved ones, etc. There has to be a commitment to this in a way it's never happened before.
Now on Saturday night, before midnight, that's the last time theater goers are going to be able to watch their movie without a mask. Again, the mandate begins at 11:59 on Saturday night. How long will it last? Well, doctors say it depends on people's behavior and the choices they might make. Live in La Cañada, Denise Dedore, ABC 7 Eyewitness News. Back to you in the studio.